Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's try out to make this model inside creo parametric. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna go for extrude, choose this plane, make it normal, switch off the datum planes. First we will make the base plane of 88 by 64. Go for the center point rectangle starting from somewhere here. Press middle mouse button, 88 by 64. Just fit your view and hit enter. Now I will extrude it up to 24 plus 32. 24 plus 32 and I will hit OK. OK. Now I will go for the standard orientation like this. Again I will go for extrude. I will choose this plane and make it normal. I'll go for a circle starting from somewhere here and now define this diameter 88. This is 88 diameter and I will hit OK. Now I will just flip the direction, remove material and define it 44. Click somewhere here and I will hit OK. Now it is ready. Again I will go for extrude, choose this face and make it normal. Go for the corner rectangle starting from somewhere here like this. And now as you can see over here, 32 by 12. I want to dimension it. This is 12, this is 32 and I will hit OK. Now again I will remove the material, select the direction and here I will select through all. OK. Now what I can do, I will go for extrude, choose this top face and go for the take some of the references of this line and this line, close it and make it normal. Now go for the circle starting from somewhere here. Press middle mouse button to pop up the dimensions. And as you can see over here, the diameter becomes 40. I will hit enter. Again remove material, flip direction and define 32 and I will hit enter. Okay. Now go for the standard orientation like this. Now we have done. Now what's remaining is when I switch on the datum planes, I have this middle plane. I want to go for extrude and make it normal. Again switch off the datum planes. Now I will draw a line starting from somewhere here like this. And now if you look at the dimension, this is becoming 6 and 108 minus 88 becomes 20. Now I'll go for dimension. So this becomes 6 and this becomes 20 and I'll hit OK. Now I'll go for the symmetry and define 24 and I'll hit middle mouse button to confirm this. Right. Now I'll go for the view, appearances, and let me just go for the yellow color and like this, and I will go for this one and let me just choose like this. And either you can go and just pick out one color as well, but I think it is better to be having the different colors like this face and I'll hit OK. Right, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get updated. Thanks for watching.